Okay, so on this example, it says a company selling widgets has found that the number of items sold depends on the price P at which they're sold according to the equation. Boom. Due to inflation, increasing health benefits, the company's been increasing the price. So here, let's write that down right now. That's DP DT, $3 a month. That's plus three because it's increasing. Whenever a rate of change is increasing, it's positive growth. Um, And then it says, find the rate at which revenue is changing. So they want us to find DRDT. That's what they're asking us for. And how do we know revenue? It says right here, revenue is price multiplied by number of items. So price, P, times number of items, and number of items is X. So that's what, 10,000? So in the top anyway, 10,000 in the bottom, square root. And 3p plus 1. So there's the revenue equation, right? Because revenue is how much money your company takes in. So that's how many items you sold. Say we sell 100 items and they're $5 each. Well, that's 5 times 100, be $500, right? So your revenue is always the price times the number of items. It's price times number of items. So there's the revenue equation, and they want us to find DRDT, right? Let's find the rate at which revenue is changing. Okay, so we're going to have to do that. So that means we're going to have to go d dt of this side and d dt of that side. So this becomes dr dt, which is what we're looking for, the rate of change of revenue with time. The other side, we're going to have to rewrite that baby. I'm going to rewrite. Let's put, I'm going to do, I'm going to make it 10,000p times 3p plus 1 to the minus zero point 0.5, right? I don't want fractions. I'd like to avoid fractions whenever I can. See how that, so this p is over 1 really, right? So it goes to the top. So 10,000p and then 3p plus 1 to the minus a half power. That means square root on the bottom, doesn't it? So, okay, so that's what I'm going to take the derivative of. It's that. So let me come on in here. I'm going to go d dt of, and this is 10,000 p times 3p plus 1 to minus 0.5. All right. So we write it there. Okay. So, all right, you don't need that. You see it. So the left side remains DRDT, the rate of change of revenue. The right side, here we go. Now, how are we going to take this derivative? Well, notice it's this function times that one. It's the product rule. It's two functions that have letters multiplied together. So they take turns. Derivative of the first guy is 10,000 dp dt times the second guy, unchanged, plus the first guy, unchanged, times the derivative of the second. They take turns. Now, how do you take the derivative of this thing? Well, the minus 0.5 comes down. I'll just multiply by minus 5 comes down. Um, 0.5 comes down. Um, and you keep the inside the same. Subtract 1 from the power, so that'd be minus 1.5 times, chain rule says derivative of the inside. What's the derivative of the inside? 3 dp dt. Um, there we go. That was a tricky one. So one more time. We had to take the derivative of 3p plus 1 to the negative 0.5. So you bring down the power, negative 0.5, keep the inside the same at first, subtract 1 from the power, times the derivative of the inside, that's not a 0.3. That's, I should do parentheses, huh? Times 3 dp dt, because that's derivative of the inside, right? 3 dp dt. Okay, wow, lot going on here. So this is gonna equal 10,000. Now what's dp dt? right here, 3. So dp dt, it's 3. Okay, and what's P? Right here. $110 each, that's P. P is 110. So that's 3 times 110 plus 1 minus 0.5 plus 10,000 times 110 again, there's the P. And this is minus 0.5, 3 times 110 again, there's the price, 110 plus 1 to the minus 1. Oh man, it's just getting to be too much, isn't it? Minus, okay. Is it not erasing better? Minus 1.5 times 3 times dp dt. What was dp dt? 3, there it is. dp dt was also 3. Okay, what a mess. Wowzer. Because I got to type all that in to Desmos. Okay, here we go. To Desmos we go. I've already forgot everything. What is it? So it's 10,000 times 3. Times 3 in parenthesis. 1,000 times 3. 3 times 1, that's 330. Let's do that by 330 plus 1. 331 to the negative 0.5. 331 to the negative. Here, let's just close this up. Negative 0.5 to the camera. Negative 0.5. Okay. Let's keep going. Plus 10,000. And now I'm here. 10,000 times 110. 10,000 times 110. Plus 10,000 times 110. Plus 10,000 times 110. Parenthesis. Negative 0.5. Oh boy. And then parenthesis, this is again 331 to the negative 1.5, 331 to the negative 1.5, 331 to the negative 1.5, 331 to the power negative 1.5. Oof. And then close that off then times 9 at the end, right? Times 9 at the end. Those are down. There we go. I'm getting 826, 826, 965, 826, 965, 826, 965. So it came out positive. Is that right? 826. Beautiful. Wow. That was a tough one. A lot of little steps on that. And so there we go.